What's going on, guys? Welcome to this tutorial, and in it we are going to be talking about popular mobile application frameworks. So ask yourself, what is a mobile application framework? A mobile application framework is a library that offers the required fundamental structure to create mobile applications for a specific environment. Mobile application frameworks can be classified majorly into three categories. We have the native apps, web apps, and hybrid apps. So let's have a quick dive about these three categories of mobile application frameworks. So we have the native app. A native app is an application that is specifically designed for a particular platform or device. A web app, on the other hand, concerns with the application that is designed to deliver web pages on different web platforms for any device. And a hybrid app is a combination of both the web app and the native application, and it can be developed for any platform from a single code base. So our first framework we're going to talk about here is the React Native. The React Native is an open source framework that was created by Facebook, and it permits you to develop mobile applications for Android and iOS platforms. It is a cross-platform development framework that uses the single code base for both Android and iOS applications. By this, we mean that React Native developers won't have to build the same app for iOS and for Android from scratch. Instead, they can reuse the same code across each platform. The React Native framework is based on React and JavaScript that aims to develop native applications. Some of the major benefits of React Native include ease of maintenance, code reusability, and cost effective. So by this we mean that when using React Native, you only need to build an application once in JavaScript. However, following a native approach requires you to build two apps separately for iOS and Android from scratch, which is not so for React Native. React Native is open source. By this we mean that it allows developers to use libraries and frameworks for free. It also has a modular architecture. With the help of modular programming, the program functions can be divided into different interchangeable free blocks, which we call them modules. So it is a software procedure that allows or that actually offers flexible development and also builds better cooperation between them to receive updates. So React Native developers can easily upgrade the apps because of its intuitive modular architecture. So just like codes, you can also reuse modules for both mobile and web APIs. It also supports augmenting an existing application. By this, we mean that we can actually insert React Native UI components into an existing app without rewriting the app. React Native also has a great performance. React Native apps perform almost exactly like a native app that was built on a specific iOS or Android platform. So they are also fast because the programming language is optimized for mobile devices. Instead of mainly using the central processing unit, React Native takes advantage of using the GPU, that's the graphic processing unit, and this makes them much faster than cross-platform hybrid technologies. There are various renowned mobile applications that have been built with React Native, such as we have Instagram, we also have Uber. So those are all applications that have been built using React Native. So the second framework is Flutter. But before I continue, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a new video. Currently, Flutter is the most popular cross-platform alternative to React Native. It's actually relatively a new mobile application framework that was also developed by Google to build native applications for the mobile, desktop, and web platform. It is based on the Dart programming language and takes a different approach to implementing cross-platform features. Flutter is a cross-platform mobile application framework that works on one code base to develop Android as well as iOS applications. It provides a large range of fully customizable widgets that helps to build native applications in a shorter span. Moreover, Flutter uses the 2D rendering engine called Skia for developing visuals, and its layout architectures ensure the effective functioning of components. So the major benefits of Flutter include it provides full native performance, flexible user interface, strong widget support, and a built-in material design. Some of the major mobile applications that have been built with Flutter we have Google Earth, SpaceX, Go, and many others. Our third framework here is Ionic. Ionic was developed in 2013 and it's an open source framework that allows you to build cross-platform mobile apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this means that you having knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can easily build a mobile app using the Ionic framework. So the framework actually makes use of JavaScript and any JavaScript framework, like be it Angular, be it Vue, or be it React. So you having a knowledge of Angular, Vue, React, or JavaScript, any of them, actually you can actually use this knowledge to build a mobile app. So the application built using Ionic framework can work on Android, iOS, as well as Windows platforms. And the framework offers numerous default UI components such as forms, action sheets, filters, navigation menu, and many more, for attractive and worldwide design. Some of the major benefits of Ionic include faster application development, availability of Cordova plugins. So recently we also have the capacitor plugins that are also being used with Ionic, and they are also they're actually having a great importance too. So they also have built-in UI components. They also have platform. It's also platform independent, and there are various renowned mobile applications that have been built with Ionic, such as the Market Watch and the Amtrak. We also have many of them that have been developed by Ionic. We also have Xamarin for our fourth mobile application framework. So Xamarin is also one of the most popular open source framework that has been used to develop mobile application. It was actually acquired by Microsoft, and it actually is based on what the .NET, and also it allows you to build native applications for Android, iOS, and Windows platforms. It comes with almost every required tool and library needed to build native applications, and offers you to create rich experiences using native app UI elements. So there are various benefits of Xamarin, some of which include a huge community of developers, native app API access and UI development. It also has easier API integration, target all platforms, cost-effective and faster development process. Some of the major popular and renowned mobile applications that are built on Xamarin are the Olo and Storio and many more. We also have Mobile Angular UI. Mobile Angular UI is also an open source mobile application framework that merges the implementation of Bootstrap and Angular framework. The framework offers various UI components such as overlays, switches, sidebars to provide robust and attractive user interfaces for the application. It supports cross-browser compatibility that allows it to automatic handling of JavaScript code for each browser. Some of the major benefits of Mobile Angular UI include responsive, offers interactive components, lightweight, and no jQuery dependencies. It also has an easier conversion from the web or desktop application to the mobile app. There are various renowned mobile applications that are also being built with the mobile Angular UI, like the IQ box. We also have many of them. We have come to the end of this video, and please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you.